Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Corvette versus the Bugatti. These two automotive titans represent vastly different philosophies in the world of high-performance cars. While both deliver exhilarating speed, their approaches to engineering, luxury, and accessibility are worlds apart. We'll explore what makes each vehicle unique and help you understand which might be better depending on your priorities. When it comes to raw performance, both cars are exceptional, but Bugatti operates on another level. A Corvette, even a high-performance Z06, might offer around 670 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 in about 2.6 seconds. Bugatti, however, pushes boundaries with engines producing over 1,500 horsepower, reaching speeds well over 250 miles per hour. This makes the Bugatti a hypercar designed for ultimate velocity. The price difference is perhaps the most striking contrast. A new Chevrolet Corvette can be acquired for around $60,000, making high performance accessible to many enthusiasts. Bugatti, on the other hand, crafts vehicles that are true works of art, with price tags often in the multi-millions, sometimes exceeding $3 million. This vast gap reflects not just performance, but also the bespoke craftsmanship and extreme rarity of a Bugatti. Ultimately, better depends on your priorities. The Corvette delivers incredible performance and a thrilling driving experience for a fraction of the cost, making it a fantastic daily driver or track toy. A Bugatti offers an unmatched blend of extreme speed, bespoke luxury, and unparalleled exclusivity, a true collector's item. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.